Hello, my name's Tony from a company called Progress. We do lawn care in the Nottingham area. I would just like to demonstrate how to prevent and repair a common problem on some of the lawns we look after, which is pet patches. A pet patch is where a dog wheezes on the lawn and creates what we call a pet patch, which is here. We'll demonstrate these to repair, and if you look over here you'll see, waiting patiently by the gate, my English setter Amber, who is the culprit. Now, if I spot, first of all, preventatives, not a lot you can do and you will always miss them, but the first thing you can do is, if you see your dog do a wee on the lawn, the first thing to do is run out with something, be it anything, and just pop that down where the patch is, where you know she's gone, because by the time you've gone to one of your strategically placed watering cans, and I have 3 situated around the lawn, you will look back at the lawn and you will not see where she's been, and then end up watering the wrong area. But I know that the area she's done is in front of there. Empty the full contents of the watering can on, and what you're doing is obviously diluting the wee down, and that is one less prepare you're going to have to do when you do it. Empty the full contents of the watering can just to make sure. So let's go over to the pet patch I'm going to repair. First thing to do, get some nice gloves on, kneeling mat, and pull out the grass, the dead grass, because it won't come back, because the root zone has been destroyed by the weed. So it doesn't matter how much water you put on or anything like that, it will not come back. So I've done that, and as you can see, there's 1 or 2 straggly bits of grass, so I just use ordinary household scissors just to cut these away. You don't want those poking through, and you've got a nicely pre-prepared pet patch. You then get your watering can and give it a good water. Soak that in. Now I then use a bit cheating really, because I have, but in my business we have lots of top dressing, nutrient rich top dressing and seed and pre-seed fertilizer that we normally mix to make a compound to repair these, but I don't want to be doing that all the time, especially when there's products like this on the market, which is Patch Magic, made by Miracle Grow. I have no connection to the company other than this is so easy. You can see all I've done is flip the lid there, and inside there is a mix of like a dry top dressing, seed, and those little orange granules you can see in there are pre-seed fertilizer. So we've put that into the patch and then give it a water, and this product actually creates what you can see there, a cocoon, which helps the seed germinate. So you then leave that, and that is as simple as that. Now if you keep it watered and the weather's nice, that will be within a couple of weeks you've got your grass back. If you do nothing, no matter how much water you put down, it won't come back after a pet patch. I hope this helps you. There are a few I've got to do today. I will get round to those, but I'll be using the same principle on all of them. So thank you very much, and I hope that helps you.